Hello everyone, welcome to Kitsy Bitsy by Jitashi. And first of all, Happy New Year. And here I am with very first activity of this year. And this activity is super fun. Yes. So I am gonna make something out of very basic kitchen stuff. Look at this. So this is Among Us. Yes, I'm gonna make Among Us today with basic kitchen stuff. So let's start with the process. For this activity, I'm using salt, all-purpose flour, गेहूं का आटा, water, mixing tray, acrylic colors, butter knife, brush, and 1 spoon, tablespoon. So I'll start with the process. We start with mixing our all-purpose flour. So the proportion for this is, if I take 1 cup of salt, then I have to take 2 cup of all-purpose flour. You can use maida or गेहूं का आटा, whatever is available at home. Do maintain the same ratio. Now we will create a dough with this mixture. Start adding water to it. This dough shouldn't be very runny or shouldn't be very soft. It is a hard dough. तो आप कोशिश करिएगा पानी आप थोड़ा ही डालें और इसे उस पानी से ही मिक्स करते जाएं और बहुत ही हार्ड डो बनाएं, एकदम सख्त होना चाहिए. Fun fact is, we use salt in our food or in our products. In our if you see, we use salt in pickles. अचार में हम salt डालते हैं because it works as a preservative. It really check bacteria to ruin our foods. So same way, we are using salt here, which will work as a preservative. Once our Among Us is dried, then it will be safe and secure because of salt. Mix it properly and create a nice dough out of it.
Few moments later.
Yes, so my dough is ready. Hope your dough is also ready. So let's divide this dough in portions. I'll tell you how to make one. You can use rolling pin also, but I'm doing it with hands. After this, I'll use knife, butter knife. So this is the body part of our Among Us. Make it in circular. Do it like this. take a small portion of it. So this is better because we are using no clay for it. So whatever material we are using is available in our kitchen. So you can perform this activity anytime. Now we will color the back part of it. हम आगे का पोर्शन पेंट कर चुके हैं, सॉरी बॉडी पार्ट और पीछे का पोर्शन पेंट कर चुके हैं. नाउ वी विल पेंट द फ्रंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर अमंग अस. For this I am using light blue, dark blue and some white. So let me just give it the final touch. For this I am using 2 number brush. Just be careful while painting this. And don't worry about the cracks which are visible, because we are not using any artificial clay. We have made this out of our kitchen ingredients. So that much of flaws are okay to have. Take some light blue here. Time my pink Among Us is drying, I'll show you some of more which I made